In this video, you're going to learn how to search for potential clients on Twitter. And this is something you can uniquely do on Twitter, and it is a great way to win business directly from a social network. So what you want to do is come up to the Twitter search bar and type in "I need a" and whatever it is, the product or service that you deliver. So for example, if I was a web designer, I'd type in "I need a website." And what I'm really searching for here are people that have tweeted out, "I need a website. I want a website." You can see I want a website. I need a dope graphic designer. I need a very good website designer. It's urgent. I need a website designer. Scrolling down, I need someone to help me create a website. So you can see that there are a lot of people tweeting out and asking for help. So what you can do is reply to these tweets and let them know that you are a web designer and that you can really help them out. Now, one thing to note is that there will probably be other people using this strategy. So if we click into the replies here, we can actually see someone has responded already, a web design company. "Good evening, we're an experienced digital agency and can handle your project. Here is our portfolio. And what type of website do you want?" So they have already used this strategy to respond. And even if I scroll down a little bit, you can see some other responses. So the key thing here is that when you reply to these, to stand out from the competition, you need to give something unique in your message that's going to stand out. So "Message me, please," that's not going to work. You can probably imagine that this person just ignored that straight away. This person definitely would have caught my attention, but maybe they could have even been more specific, like, "We can get started straight away and have it done in a week. We can do it for less than most websites we do for less than $200. Something like that that is going to really kick off the conversation and get you to stand out from any other messages that pop up. So having a great response that really communicates your unique selling proposition is a way to win business with this strategy. Don't say, "Just message me, please." That is not going to get the client excited. Now, another way that you can actually win business in a less competitive way is not to look at the top tweets, but to actually come over and look at the latest tweets. So the reason there's quite a lot of comments on these is because these are the top tweets. But if we come to latest tweets, then we can see the people who have said, "I need a website," or including some of those words. You can see this was only 7 minutes ago. Nobody has commented on this. So that is something that you could just drop in and comment on straight away. "I need a brilliant website." Okay. Again, you could probably comment on that. You'd have to read all these carefully to see what they say. Now you can see that some of these tweets just include a website. They don't see "I need a website." And so if you want to narrow your search, what you can do is put these parentheses around the search. And now you are only going to see tweets that have that exact phrase in it, "I need a website." So you can see down here, "I need a website," "I need a website." You could probably reply to that person straight away. "I need a website. Who can get the job done? DM me," etc. So it's a way by filtering for the latest tweets and even the tweets that have that exact phrase in it. Again, you can get those people and identify them who maybe aren't appearing in those top searches. Now you can also search for not just "I need a website," but also maybe "I need a web designer." And so change around the phrases a little bit in order to really find what you need. Another strategy as well is to look for people who are frustrated with an existing solution. So what you could do is, using those parentheses again, type in "hate Wix." So what we're going to find here, "I'm thinking about switching from Wix to WordPress because I effing hate Wix." So what you could do here is really reply and say, "Hey Katie, if you want help with that, it's very easy to switch from Wix to WordPress. we could help you get it done in one day and you wouldn't lose any of your content. Interested to learn more? And then they might say yes, and then you could say, okay, let's jump over to email, etc. So looking for frustrated customers or frustrated customers of another solution is a great way to identify clients that you can really poach. And if they're really frustrated, then they are really going to be looking for a solution. Today I was reminded why I absolutely hate Wix. I hate Wix. I think any business is going to get frustrated customers like this. So the opportunity for you is really to swoop in, save the day, and win them as a client. So just considering to delete my whole sodding blog, paid so much money for the site, I have no support. So again, what you could say is, hey, don't worry, we can help you. There's no need for you to delete your site. We can transition it to, say, WordPress in less than a day, and it's a very simple process. So again, swooping in and saving the day for those frustrated customers is another way that you can find potential customers and really get a huge ROI off Twitter. So go ahead and check that out for yourself. Come up to the search bar and search for people saying, I need a website, graphic designer, financial planner, personal coach, etc. You can use these parentheses to narrow it down. And you can also search for those frustrated customers as well. So go ahead now and try that out for yourself to find potential clients, or put this strategy in your back pocket for later.